Now let's talk about the sprint demo. The sprint demo happens at the end of the sprint. So the team will demonstrate the stories that they had planned to complete during the sprint. So normally the team will demonstrate the product outcome to a stakeholder. This can be a customer or it can be a design team lead. And the whole team will actually be participating during the demo session. So the product owner, the scrum master, and the development team will be available. The team defined the definition of done. So done is when a story runs, it provides a valuable outcome for the user, and it does not crash. So it's production ready. During the demo, the story must function as described, and after the demo, the completed stories are then approved. And next, the completed stories, they are then added to the product increment. The product increment happens at the end of the sprint. So you see the sprint execution is the duration of one sprint, and at the end of that sprint they have defined a certain number of stories that should be completed. So the product increment is then just after the demo of the approved number of stories that can be added to the full product. The product increment is the sum of all the product backlog items that are completed during the sprint, and the value of the increment of all the previous sprints. At the end of a sprint, the new increments must be done. So this means that it must be usable condition, so production ready, and meet the Scrum team's definition of done.